Hi, I'm Xerxes. I vlog about everything that I find fascinating. Today, Nike sent me a pair of their latest running sneakers, which is the Epic React Flyknit, and they're right here in this fancy box. Ta-da! Now, I've been reading a lot about these sneakers. They are to be officially launched on the 22nd of Feb in stores, and I cannot help but amaze at what is going on. Apparently, they've worked with more than 400 different types of recipes to finally come up with these new kind of sponge, and I can't wait to try them on and tell you what I think about them. But let's take a close look. Flyknit on the top, right there. There's this little reflective strip for the running shoes, and a nice little swoosh right here, and it's more or less a sock. I'm gonna go for a run right now, try them out, and tell you what I think about them. Can't wait. This is the first few steps in the Epic React Flyknit. Very bouncy. I'm gonna take a little time to get used to so much sponge. I'm gonna use a Nike Run app to do a quick 1 kilometer burst and see what that feels like. I took these champs for a run and they are fantastic. They are soft, they are so bouncy. I think these are probably the softest running shoes I've used in a very, very long time. And I also think I'm gonna run longer in these, primarily because they aren't affecting, the impact on the ground isn't too much. And as you might have already noticed, I run on the road because I'm not a treadmill kind of person, and I like running on roads because I kind of get constrained in like smaller spaces. I'm gonna run a lot many more kilometers with these new babies. Thank you, Nike. So that was my quick review of the Epic React Nike Flyknits. Go get yourself these babies. They come out in stores on the 22nd of February. I'm gonna go get back to some running before the sun goes down on me completely. Bye!